In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your Facebook downloads on your smartphone using a computer. So if you have connected your smartphone in your computer and you want to find all the documents or the files or the videos that you downloaded, this is how you do it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect your smartphone on your computer and then tap on File, Transfer. Then go to this PC and open it. Go ahead and tap on your smartphone to open it. From here, you'll see all the storage that you have on your smartphone displayed. For my case, I'm only using internal storage. If you have an external, maybe an SD, it will also be displayed. Now, from the two, choose the one that you use as a default storage. For my case, because I only have internal, everything is stored under my internal storage. To identify where all your Facebook files are stored, go to this folder written DCIM and then double click on it to open. Then from here, you'll see a folder called Facebook. Double click on it to open. Now here, you'll see all the files and all the images that you have ever downloaded from Facebook. They'll all be displayed here. Now go ahead, sample them, and then you can now select the one that you wish. So that's how you find your files that you downloaded from Facebook using a smartphone on computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.